Great, guys. So, guys, before we start, please confirm once, guys, are you feeling comfortable about conditional statement? All of you guys, I need all of your response. Have you tried how to write if condition, else if, all of this thing? Are you able to write your own condition now? Yes. Okay. Are you getting, guys, that one days we are moving step by step. So slowly, you are feeling very comfortable with the topic that you have learned, right? Okay, so today, guys, we'll be learning about a very fundamental topic. You might know about the topic. Let me know, guys. Can you quickly type one if you know about what is loop? Type one, or if you don't know anything, type zero. Like, we'll don't worry. We'll start from scratch, right? But still, very fundamental topic we are going to discuss today, which is loop. Okay, so don't worry. Yes, repeat. Okay, so we'll be learning all these things from scratch. Okay, don't worry. But before that, let's do some activity together. Okay, so guys, I'll be sharing you few logo. Okay, and you need to tell me, guys, which one is correct, left one or right one. Okay, so I'm waiting. Which one is correct logo for Apple, left or right? Okay, many of your typings are right one. Okay, many of you are typing left one. I'm like equal. I'm getting equal vote. Okay, right, left. Okay, cool, guys. Now think once. Okay, so answer for this will be left one, guys. Okay, now see this image. Can you tell me, guys, right one look like a odd? So this is looking like a correct Apple logo now, right? Once you know the answer, then you will understand. Okay, ठीक है, right? So many times we feel that we know things, but we don't know things in that way. Okay, cool. Left is correct. Exactly. So now tell me, guys, which one is correct logo for Coca-Cola? Which one is correct one for Coca-Cola? Okay. Many of your typings are right one. Still few of your typings are left one. Okay, right one is right. Okay, so I get lot of vote for right this time. Okay, but few vote I got from left one as well. Okay, let's see what will be the answer. So guys, answer will be left one again. So whatever pattern that you are able to see, this pattern is present on second C, not the first C. Okay, so that is the catch. So this first C is very normal. Okay, second C is that pattern with this pattern. Okay, guys, so left one is the answer. Okay, how many of you like very confident कि right one is the answer होगा? But still you got that different answer we get here, right? Okay, so let's move to next one, guys. Tell me, guys, which one is correct logo for Burger King? Left or right? Is it left or right? Okay, now I got a lot of right vote. Okay, only few of you are typing left. Okay, lot of vote I got for right one. Okay, right is always right. Okay, cool. So here the answer will be right one, guys, not left one. So this circle pattern that you are able to see, this is present here in left side. Okay, so right one will be the answer for this. Okay, guys. So one last thing, tell me, guys. Acha, tell me, what is the company name, guys? Do you know what is the company? Starbucks. Exactly. Okay, tell me, guys, which one is okay, we I cannot afford. Yes, we cannot afford. Okay. Now tell me one thing, guys. Which one is correct logo? Left or right? Okay. Many of your typings are left one. Okay, few of you are typing right. Many of you are typing left one. Okay. Yes, guys. So the answer here will be left one. So you see the pattern. So here all these things are filled, right? So this star should be also filled. Okay. So left one will be the answer. So it is the correct logo for Starbucks. Okay. Understood? Okay. Tell me, guys, one last. Which one is correct for LG? Our old favorite fan, right? Okay. Okay, many of your typings are right one is correct. Few of your typings are left one is correct. Okay, think very carefully. You should know this answer, guys. LG बहुत पुराना सा बहुत पहले से हम देखते आ रहे हैं, right? Which one is correct? Okay, many of your typings are right one is correct. Okay, so the here the answer will be, guys, left one. Okay, yes, left, exactly, Shiva. So left one will be the answer, guys. So here this dot that you are able to see, which is present in left side, not in right side. Okay, so this will be the answer, guys, left one, right? So guys, should we start with our quiz time? Can you quickly confirm, everyone? Should we start with our quiz time? Okay, so guys, whatever we have learned is in previous session, we are going to revise this thing. Okay, tell me, if this is my code, what will be the answer? Which option will be correct? Very simple question. I need everyone's response, guys. What will be the answer? Which option is correct? Okay, so type the option name. Okay, yes. So many of your typings are A will be correct. Okay, few of your typings are B will be correct. Okay, okay. Now most of your typings are B will be the correct. Okay, okay. Tell me, guys, what is the variable value that you have? Variable value is true. Okay, now tell me, guys, inside if you are writing is holiday, what is the value of is holiday? Is holiday value is true, right? Okay, so inside if what value you are getting? Inside if you are getting a final value which is true, तो अगर if के अंदर true मिलता है तो what I have to run? So whatever is present in this if block, I need to run that, right? Okay, console.log, let's go for hiking. So which option will be correct, guys? Option B will be correct. Is that clear to all of you? Right, so because we are getting directly true inside my if block, so I'm supposed to run my if block. So console.log, let's go for hiking. B will be the correct answer. Got it? Okay, so let's move to next question, guys. Okay, tell me, which of the following statements correctly check if a variable x is greater than 10 or not? Very simple. Okay, many of you are started voting. Okay, many of your typings are B will be the answer. Okay, anything else you want, you think? Very simple. So you want to check if a variable x is greater than 10 or not. You will be writing x greater than 10 inside your condition if, right? So inside if this is your condition, what is your condition? Condition is that x greater than 10. So option B is correct. Very simple question, guys. Is that clear? Are you able to understand? This is my condition. And where am I supposed to write this condition? Inside my if statement, I'm supposed to write the condition whether it is true or false, right? Okay, so all of you are correct most of for this question, guys. B. Okay, tell me what will be the output for this snippet? Think it and give me the correct answer. Okay, again, all of you are typing, like most of you are typing till now. Sir, B will be the answer. Anything else? Okay, now tell me your age initial value is 16, right? Okay, now you are checking in your condition. What is you are checking? Age value, which is 16. You are writing 16 is greater than equal to 18. Now tell me, guys, 16 greater than equal to 18. Is it true? No, right? It is a false statement, right? So that means inside your if what you are getting? Inside your if you are getting a final value which is false. Now tell me, guys, do you have else block? Yes, you have else block. That means your else block will be running. So console.log not eligible to vote. So option B is correct, not eligible to vote. Is that clear, guys? Can you quickly confirm? Right? Got it, everyone? So option B is correct. Okay. Now tell me, guys, very simple question. Which logical operator can use to ensure both the condition must be true? Okay, so all of you are writing correct, guys. So yes, we need to use logical operator and. So when we'll be using and, that means all the operation, all the condition that I'm writing that must be true, then only we should get a final output. So example we give, if you want to watch a YouTube video, you need to have a power in your mobile, as well as you need to have your internet connection working properly. Then only you will be able to watch a video on YouTube, right? So this is and operator. And what about this operator, guys? This is called or operator. So that means anyone correct, you will be your condition will be triggered, right? You will be getting a final true output if any one statement is correct there. Okay, got it, everyone? Okay, now this is the next question, guys. Which of the following will correctly check if two string str1 and str2 are not equal? Guys, before giving the answer, see, read all the question, all the option carefully. Okay, which of the following will correctly check ये जो string 1 string 2 है are not equal? Okay. Lot of people are typing sir A. Many of you are typing sir B. Okay, now I get few answer for D. Okay, what do you think, guys? Okay, Now you need to write a condition in such a way that str1 and str2 are not equal. Okay, now tell me, str1 not equal to str2. Is it a big brother way of writing not equal to? Is that clear? क्या ये big brother way of writing not equal to है? Yes. Okay. Now tell me guys one more thing. Is it parent way of writing not equal to? Where you will be checking value as well as data type. Okay. Now tell me one thing guys. Both are helping me, right? Both are helping me to check whether these two strings are equal or not, right? Okay, then what will be the answer, guys? Answer will be D, because both this one also help me to check, this is also helping me to check. ये big brother way of checking है, this is parent way of checking, but both are helping me to check whether str1 and str2 are not equal or not. So that is the reason, again guys, option D is correct. So many of you are given option D at last. Like I saw that few of you are typing B first, then D. Okay, so that is the answer, guys. Is that clear to all of you? Can you quickly type one? Understood, all of you? Okay. So now one last question, guys. Tell me, theoretical question. Which of the following will correctly describe about if-else statement structure? Okay. I started getting few answer. People are typing C. Okay. Any other thing you want to vote? Okay. Few of you are typing B. Okay. Guys, just one question I want to ask. Have you ever prepared for a like any MCQ exam like NEET, JEE, or some government exam or whatever it is? Have you given? Sometimes what you need to do, you need to eliminate few options. Is that होता है क्या? Sometimes options are very close to each other, and then you need to read all the option, and based on that you need to eliminate few option. And same thing we need to do here as well. Okay, read the first one. It evaluates multiple mutually exclusive condition. Honestly, I'm not able to get what it is saying right now. I'm not able to process. Okay, let's skip this thing once and let's move to the next one. Okay, it negates the condition. Is again what it is, I'm not making any sense out of that. Okay, let's try to skip this thing for now. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, it executes a block of code. It executes a block of code if a condition is true, and another block if the condition is false. Tell me guys, if you are getting here true, you have to execute a block of code, right? And another condition if the condition is false. Is that correct? It executes a block of code if a condition is true. Okay, correct. And another block if a condition is false. Is that okay, guys? I need all of your response. Is that making sense? Yes. So that is making sense for now. Let me correct it here. Okay. It ensures that at least one of the condition must be true. Okay. So this is also true, guys. But tell me, which one is more explicitly explaining the concept? This is also true. It also ensures that this one and this one, any one will be correct, but C is more accurate, right? C is more in terms of explaining what is if doing, what is else doing, right? So that case you need to eliminate all this option. So C will be correct here, guys. And tell me, if this kind of question comes into your interview and all, can you make a judge there? Can you eliminate options? Yes, you need to do that, guys. So sometimes option can be very related to each other. In that case, you need to do elimination down. Got it, guys? Everyone, can you quickly type one? Is that clear to all of you? Right? Okay. So now let's move to the topic, guys. Everyone ready? Okay. So today, first we are going to quickly recap few things. Okay, that we need to cover yesterday. We'll be doing few recap for first. Okay. After that, we need to learn for loop. Okay. Then there will be learning about increment and decrement operator, and after that, we'll be jumping to concept of for loop. So do we start, guys? Everyone ready? Okay. First, let's do a quick recap, guys. Can you quickly confirm, is my screen visible to all of you? Are you able to see my screen properly? Okay, so yesterday we solved this example, right? We want to prepare palak paneer. Okay, we are writing here palak is true. Okay, paneer is false. अगर palak present है, paneer नहीं present है, can I prepare palak paneer? No, right? Okay, so here I'm writing a condition. Paneer is equal to true, and palak is equal to 2. If both these conditions satisfied, then only palak paneer today, right? Okay, otherwise no palak paneer. So yes, snippet already we discussed yesterday. Everyone is clear? Can you quickly type one? This is the example of logical and operator where we are preparing palak paneer. To prepare palak paneer, we need both paneer as well as palak. That is the reason we are using and operator. Okay, now tell me one thing, guys. Second problem we discussed, which is this marriage problem. Is that clear? We have age, we have gender, right? We are writing, अगर मेरा gender female है and age for gender is greater than 18, if both of these conditions satisfied, then only I can say a female can marry, right? Okay. If my gender is male and age is greater than 21, if both these conditions satisfied, then only I can say, okay, a male can marry. So remaining all other case, I can say no chance, you cannot marry. This is also the second example we discussed yesterday. Is that clear? This is also example of using and logical operator in our code snippet. Remember all of you, right? Okay. Now let's take one example, guys. Very simple example of OR operator. Okay. So guys, the thing is that we are going to check if a character is vowel or not. Okay. Can you tell me how many vowels are present? So you have A, E, I, O, U. Okay. A, E, I, O, U. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 vowels present, right? Okay. So now you will be having a variable which is name is char. Okay. Inside that char, let's say it is P. Can you tell me, is it vowel? No, right? It is not vowel, right? Okay. So when I can say it is a vowel, मैं तभी बोल सकता हूँ कि if this character is storing A or it is storing E or character value is I or character value is O or character value is U. Is that clear, guys? All of you? Why I'm using OR operator here? Because I want इसमें से if any one condition satisfied, if any one condition satisfied, then I know, okay, it is a while. Because you know, whenever we are using an OR operator, in that case, agar any one condition give me true, the final output I'm supposed to get, which is true now. So is that all of you clear, guys? Everyone, can you quickly type one? Understood the example of OR operator, right? So when if character value is equal to A, or it is equal to E, or it is equal to I, or it is equal to O, or it is equal to U. If any one condition satisfied, I can clearly say, okay, it is a while. Otherwise, I'll say, okay, character is not while. Okay, so let me run this thing once. Okay, so here my character value is P. Now tell me, guys. So this is false. Okay, this is also false. So all the condition here I'm getting a false because I'm checking with while, right? The final output inside this, if I'm getting it false, that means I need to run my else block. Okay, so line number 38 will be running console.log character is not a vowel, right? Okay, but let's say if I change it to E, so character value is E. Now tell me, guys, what will happen? Okay, character value is E. So character value A, this is false. Okay, character value E, this is you are getting a true. Now tell me one thing, if you are using OR operator, कोई भी एक condition, if one condition you are getting true, what will be the final output? So final output you are supposed to get from this is true. So inside, if you are getting a true output, that is the reason you need to run your if block that you have written, right? Okay, so line number 35 will be running and you will be getting console.log character is a vowel. So if you are running this thing, you can see character is a vowel. Is that clear to all of you, guys? Okay, now tell me one thing, guys. Very good question by Ayush. Someone is typing. Guys, can you tell me what will be the answer now? Which block, which line will be running? If I'm having a value of E here, which line will be running? So in that case, again, you are getting false. This is also false. All the value you will be getting here false, right? Okay. Now, what is the final output you will be getting from OR operator? Final output you will be getting, which is false. Now, inside, if you are getting a false output, do you have else block? Yes. So line number 38 will be running. Character is not a vowel. So you will be saying that character is not a vowel. Now the question is that, guys, how can I handle that? So we'll be learning all these things. There is better way you can handle. But for now, You need to, if you want to handle in this way, you can write something like that. If character value is equal to E. So for all, you can write E and then capital E. You can write A and then capital A. Now, if I run this thing, guys, you are getting character is a vowel. So you can handle for now in this way. But later, we are going to learn a shortcut. So in our upcoming journey, we'll be learning all of this thing. But for now, you can handle in this way. Is that clear to all of you guys? Can you quickly type one? You all understood the power of or operator and how it is working inside your code example, right? Correct. Okay, so now let's move to today's topic, guys. First, we are going to learn increment and decrement operator. Okay, now guys, tell me what is you are able to see here in this image. Growing up, okay, something is increasing, something is incrementing, growth, right? Going up, right? Taking one step at a time, going up, right? Going up, going up, going up. Is that, guys? I need all of your response. So okay, now tell me one more thing. Exactly, someone is typing success path. Exactly. Okay, tell me one more thing. What you are able to see here? Something is decreasing, right? Something is going down, right? Some value is decreasing, right? Some degrowth is happening here. So you are going down somehow, right? So this is decrementing. Okay, now let's see this example, guys. Then you will understand from deep of it. Okay, so let me remove everything from here. Okay, so guys, let me create a variable called E, and I'm creating a variable A with 10. Okay, now I need all of your response. What will be the output if I type here console.log A? So very simple, sir. Everyone will be saying, sir, here I have 10. So I'm supposed to get 10 in this output. Okay. Now tell me one thing. What if I'm writing here A is equal to A plus 1? I need everyone response now, guys. Can you tell me line number 6? What should be my output? Okay, so everyone is saying, sir, instead of 10, I'm supposed to get here 11. How? Okay, now initially I created a box. Okay, box name is A. Okay, you stored a value 10. So line number 2 done. Now I am coming to line number 4. What I'm saying here, okay, please reassigning this A value with a new value. What will be my new value? My new value will be A plus 1. Can you tell me what is A value? A value is 10. Okay, what is 10 plus 1, guys? 10 plus 1 will be 11. So what you are saying, please change that A variable value with a new value of 11. So now you are removing 10, you are reassigning this variable value with a new value of 11. After that, you are printing console.log A. What is your A value, guys? It is not 10 anymore. It becomes 11 because of line number 4. That is the reason you are supposed to get here 11. So if I run this thing, what I'm getting? I'm getting 11. क्या ये सबके लिए clear है, guys? I need all of your response. Is that clear? Very simple. Guys, can you tell me one thing? Is it increasing my value? Previously, I had 10 value, right? Now it is increasing my value from 10 to 11. Okay. Now there is one more way you can do the same thing. So instead of writing A is equal to A plus 1, you can simply write A plus plus. Can you all type this thing for me, guys? Can you all type A plus plus? So 2 times you need to plus. It will do the same thing, guys. If I run this thing here, can you see what I'm getting? Same. So previously I had a value 10. So I'm writing A plus plus. This 10 will become what? 11. After that, I'm writing console.log A. So this 11 value that you are able to see here. So this is doing the same thing. Okay. Now this is way 1. Okay. So this is way 1. This is way 2. Okay. There is one more way you can do the same thing. Okay. So let me show you that way. So let me comment it this. Okay. And then let me show the third way you can do the same thing. You can also write A plus equal to 1. Can you quickly type this thing, guys? You can write A plus equal to 1. It will also do the same thing, guys. It will also increment the value A is equal to A plus 1. So this 1 and this 2 both are nothing but same operation that you are doing. So A plus equal to 1. So now if I run this thing, what I'm getting? Again, I'm getting 11. So this is your way 3. So this is way 1, this is way 1, this is way 2, this is way 3. क्या ये सबके लिए clear है guys? How you can increment the value of a variable by 1. So these are 3 ways you can increment. This is normal way, this is plus plus way, this is plus equal to way. Is that clear so far, guys? Sir, why we are using double slash? Just to comment out. I don't want to run it again. So let's say I'm writing this thing. Okay, I'm removing this comment. Okay, can you tell me, guys, what will be the final output then? What I'm supposed to get from line number 11? Okay, initially my variable value was 10. Okay, then I increment this value by 1. My new variable value will become 11. After that, I'm incrementing it by 1 again. My new variable value will become 12. After that, I'm incrementing this value by again 1. So my new variable value will be what? 13. Okay, after that, I'm printing console.log A. What is my A variable value, guys? So my A variable value is nothing but 13. So is that clear? So this becomes 11 here. This becomes 12 here. This becomes 13 here. That is the reason when you print A here, you are getting here 13. Understood? All of you? Okay. Now tell me one thing, guys. If I comment this out, okay, and here I'm writing 2. Can you tell me what will be my final value? I'm writing here 10. Okay. Then here I'm writing A is equal to A plus 2. So it is the same thing you are writing A is equal to A plus 2. Okay. What is your A value, guys? Your A value is 10. Okay. You are writing 10 plus 2. What will be new value? New value will be 12. So you are saying that, okay, please reassigning this variable value A with a new value 12. So your A value was 10 previously. You change it from 10 to 12. After that, you are printing console.log A. What is your A value, guys? My A value is 12. So if I run this thing, what I'm getting? I'm getting here 12. क्या ये clear है? Let's say here I'm writing 5. Can you tell me what will be my updated value? Previously it was 10. I'm incrementing this value by 5. So my new value should be become 15. Right? Okay. So now tell me one thing. If I do here, A is equal to A plus 7. What will be my final value? Initially, we had a 10. Okay. We increment that value by 7. So this 10 becomes what? 17. After that, you are printing A. So what will be your new value? Your new value will be 17. Guys, again, I need all of your response, guys. These 3 ways, everyone understand all these three ways, whatever I have discussed. Siva, which part you are not able to understand? So this part, last one that I discussed here. Okay. Initially, your value was 10. Okay. Now tell me what you are doing here. Remember, day 1 we discussed this topic. Reassigning that variable value with a new value. What is my new value here? My new value here is A plus 7. What is A, guys? A is 10. I'm writing 10 plus 7. What is 10 plus 7? 10 plus 7 gives me 17. So what I'm saying, reassigning this variable value A with a new value 17. So previously it was 10. Now it becomes 17. After that, you are writing console.log A. What is your A value? A value is 17. Siva, now is it clear? Right? Line number 6, line number 7. Okay. So I'm commenting on this thing about this thing. Okay, now tell me. So initially your value was 10. Okay, you are writing A plus plus. Your 10 becomes what? Your 10 becomes 11. So if I run this thing, what I'm getting? I'm getting 11, right? Okay. So now line number 8. Okay, line number 8, what you are doing? It is the same thing, guys. It is the same thing. You are writing A is equal to A plus 5. Okay, tell me, guys, what is your initial value? Initial value 10. Okay, you are writing change this value with a new value. New value क्या होगा? 10 plus 5. What is 10 plus 5, guys? 10 plus 5 will be giving you 15. So you are changing that value with a new value 15. Previously it was 10. You update it with a new value 15. So now if I run this thing, what I'm getting? I'm getting 15. Is that clear, guys? I'm commenting out all of this thing. If I uncomment this thing now, can you tell me what will be the final value? Shiva, we understand this thing. If you comment out any line, it will not going to execute, right? That is what we did. Okay, now tell me what will be the answer now. Initially, you had a value 10. Okay, so you are incrementing this value by 7. So 10 becomes what? 17. Okay. After that, what you did a plus plus. Your 17 will become what? Your 17 will become 18. Okay. After that, you add 5 to 18. Can you tell me what will be your new value? 18 से 5 add करने पे your new value will become 23. After that you print console.log a. What is your value, guys? Your value is 23. Is that clear now to all of you? Okay, great. Okay, now tell me one thing, guys. So let me comment out this thing. Okay, if I write here a is equal to a minus 7, can you tell me what will be the answer? So a minus 7 will give you what? 3. Initially you had 10, you are writing minus 7, it should give you 3. Okay. Now similarly, if you are writing here instead of a plus plus, you are writing here a minus minus. Can you tell me what will be your value? Okay. You had a value 10, you are writing a minus minus. Your 10 will become what? Your 10 will become 9. So if you print this thing, you are getting here 9 output, right? So guys, can you tell me, guys, can I call this as decrement? Can I call this as decrement because it is decreasing my value by some factor? Similarly, instead of plus equal to 5, what if I'm writing here minus equal to 5? Can you tell me what will be the answer? So previously I had a value 10. I'm reducing that value by 5. My new value will be 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 will give me 5. So I'm reassigning this value with 5. So my output will become here 5. Yes or no? Sabke clear? I spent too much time on this simple topic. Okay. So if it is clear, let me give you a question to all of you. Are you ready? Let A is equal to 10. Let B is equal to 5. A is equal to B minus 2. A plus plus. A minus equal to B. B plus plus. B is equal to B minus 1. Console.log. I need all of your response, guys. Can you tell me what will be the answer of A and B from line number 12 and 13? Okay. Many of you start giving answers. Sir, A will be 7. Okay. B 4. Someone is typing A1, B5. Okay. Any other vote? Okay. A1. Okay. B5. Okay. A1, B5. Okay. A5. Okay. 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 Okay, now let's do it together. Okay, guys, tell me. Initially, your A value is 10, your B value is 5. Okay, you are writing here A is equal to B minus 2. Can you tell me what is B? B is 5, right? You are writing 5 minus 2. What is 5 minus 2 will give you? 5 minus 2 will give you 3. You are saying reassigning this A value with a new value of 3. So your A value will be removed from 10 to 3. Is that clear to all of you? Line number 6. Your A value becomes 3. Okay. After that, you are writing A plus plus. Can you tell me what will be your new value? Your 3 value will become 4. You are writing A plus plus. Okay. After that, you are writing A is equal to A minus equal to 3. What will be your new A value, guys? Your new A value will be A minus 3. What is A value? A value is 4. You are writing 4 minus 3. What will be your value? Your value will be 1. You are changing this A value with a new value of 1. So your A value will be removed from 4 to 1. Is that clear so far, guys? Okay. After that, you are writing B plus plus. What was your B value? B value was 5. So B plus plus will make your B value 6. After that, you are writing B is equal to B minus 1. Okay, you are reducing this value. So B value 6. So 6 minus 1, you will be getting a final output, which is 5. So you are removing this 6 value with again 5. After that, you are printing console.log A. What is your A value? A value is 1. You are writing console.log B. What is your B value? B value is 5. So A value 1, B value 5. So if I run this thing, what I'm getting? A value 1, B value 5. Is that clear, guys, to all of you? Just we learn one topic, how we can increment or decrement the value that we are getting, right? Yes. So this is decrementing, this is incrementing, this is again decrementing, this is incrementing, this is also decrementing. And finally, my value will be updated. A value will give me 1, B value will give me 5. So that is it, guys. Sorted to all of you? Okay. So too many time we spend here, guys. Now let's move to the next topic, which is loop. And I want all of you to tell me, guys, okay, what is this? Can I call this is a music player? YouTube, Spotify, this kind of platform, right? Whatever you are using, right? Okay, I want all of you to focus on these feature. What is this, guys? Loop, right? Replay. What is this feature useful for? So let's say this has happened with me many time. Okay, let's say I like a song. Okay, so what I did, I play this song in a loop. Okay, this song start. Okay, and again this song start. Tell me one thing: is it playing in a loop? Yes, same thing is repeating. Same song is repeating. Okay, forget about JavaScript and programming, guys. Think about this thing. Understand the why part of it. Okay, let me take one more example. Okay, very abstract example. Tell me, guys, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, again Sunday come. Is it also happening in a loop? Yes or no? Is it also happening in a loop? Yes, guys, your things are also happening in a loop. Okay. So now we are going to learn about, we understand what is loop. When something is running continuously, that is a loop again and again. Same task is repeating again and again. This is a loop, right? Okay, so now let's understand this thing in terms of code. Okay, now let's say I give you a task. Can you print hello Pablo in console? What do you say, guys? You'll be saying yes, definitely. Okay, so I'll be writing console dot. So day one, we learn this thing. I'll be writing console.log. Inside that, I'll be writing hello Pablo, and I'm supposed to get this printed one time. Anyone having any doubt till here? Okay, you do that. Okay, now tell me, if I give you next question is that print this hello Pablo 6 times. Can you do that? क्या आप इस same चीज को 6 times print कर सकते हो? You'll be saying yes sir, I can do that. So what I'll be doing, I'll be writing something like that. I'll be writing it once, I'll be copying it 5 times. So total I'm supposed to get 6 times output. Is that okay? बहुत ही बढ़िया solution, right? Now my next question to all of you guys, what if I'm asking you to print hello Pablo 1000 times? तो आप क्या करोगे? Now you don't have to print it 6 times. You have to print it 1000 times. Now one solution here can be you are copy pasting this thing 1000 times. But बताओ, is it a valid way? Do you think is it a good way? 1000 बार आप copy paste करोगे इसको? 999 times you will be doing copy paste? Not at all, right? Exactly. So guys, are you feeling a requirement of loop? क्या आपको लग रहा है कि अगर ऐसा कोई टूल होता है जहां पे I'll say okay, run this thing 1000 time and here I'm writing only one time console.log hello Pablo and automatically using this power of loop ये 1000 बार रन होगा. Is that a good way? Are you getting it or not, guys? फील आ रहा है कि बताओ, आर यू गेटिंग ए रिक्वायरमेंट? आपको जरूरत पड़ रहा है कि एक लूप होता तो अच्छा होता, राइट? So that is how sometimes JavaScript developers feels the requirement. Then they introduce a feature called loop, guys. Everyone understand the why part? You can solve this thing using a loop in JavaScript, right? Okay. So now let's do this practical, guys, and then we'll understand clearly what I'm saying here. Okay. So guys, let's say I'm writing here console.log hello Pablo. Okay, so how many times it will run? It will run one time. Okay, you can see one time hello Pablo is printed. Okay, let's say if I need to run it 3 times, so I'm going to copy it. Okay, I'm going to paste 1, 2 times. If I run this thing, how many times it will run? It will run 3 times. Okay, but this way I cannot print it 1000 times, right? Okay, so now we are going to use a loop here. Okay, so now tell me, let me share you the fundamental topic that how we can write a loop in JavaScript. Okay, chalo. So guys, there are many ways you can write loop in JavaScript, but today we are going to learn a very simple and easy way and very powerful way of writing loop, which is called for. So we are going to learn how I can run a for loop in JavaScript. Can you all type for me, guys? This is a keyword in JavaScript. Remember, reserved keyword in JavaScript, which is helping you to write a loop inside your JavaScript program. So now inside for, guys, inside for, you need to pass three things. Okay, everyone remember, three things we need to pass inside for. Okay, what are those three things? First I need to pass my start. Okay, सबसे पहले कहां से मैं start करना हूं, where should I start? So that start I need to pass. After that I need to pass my condition. Second thing I need to pass, what is my condition? And the third thing I need to pass, what I am doing here, incrementing or decrementing. So these are the three things we need to pass inside for a loop, guys. Again, three things we need to pass. First one is my start. Where should I start my loop? Okay. Second one is condition. Condition means that where I'm ending my loop. Okay. In which condition I'm ending my loop. Okay. Now third is that what every time I'm doing, incrementing or decrementing. So this is my third. So three important thing we are going to pass inside this for loop. Okay, so let me give you an example, then you will understand. Okay, so let's say here I'm writing let start is equal to 1. Guys, can I do that? I simply created a variable called start and I initialized this value with a 1. So I passed a start value which is 1. Okay. After that, second, I need to write a condition. So my condition, let's say here I'm writing start is less than equal to 3. Okay. Now, can you tell me, guys, one thing what it will do? It will ensure that ये start equal to 3 तक जाएगा. Less than equal to 3 तक जाएगा. It will start from 1, then it will do 2, then it will go till 3. So that is what I'm writing my condition. Okay. And after that, the third thing I need to pass, which is what I'm doing, incrementing or decrementing. So let's say I'm writing here, I'm incrementing this value by start plus plus. Okay. So this is how I need to structure a loop and I don't want anyone, इसको हम बाद में समझेंगे. Okay. But let's do one thing. So here I'm writing console.log hello Pablo. Okay, let's see this output. Guys, don't worry how this is working and all. We'll learn all of this thing from scratch, but just see the output, what we are getting here. Okay, so let me click on this run button. Guys, tell me one thing. Is it running 3 times? But how many times I have written console.log? It is 1 time, right? But how beautiful it is running 3 times. You want to see a magic now? Okay, I'm writing here 1000. I'm writing this thing. How many times it is there, guys? You can count it. So I'm scrolling it down. It is 1000 times printed, guys. Can you imagine? I need all of your wow moment here. You all understand the power, guys. So 1000 times I am able to print here. But how many times I have written? I have written it only 1 time, guys. This is the power of programmers, guys. This is what programmer. This would give you a kick, guys. When I saw this first time, I was like amazed. क्या हो गया अंदर? Right? Everyone understood the why part of it. We'll understand ये कैसे चल रहा है, don't worry. But understood why we are solving this problem and what problem it is solving. Is that clear to all of you? Okay. So now if it is clear, let's understand how it is working, guys. कैसे ये काम कर रहा है. Okay. So let me commit here. Okay. So this is running me 3 times. Okay. This gives me 3 times hello Pablo output. Now let's understand from scratch how we are getting here 3 times hello Pablo output. Okay, so let's start. Okay, I want all of your help here. Can you tell me, guys, when this loop is started, what is my initial start value? जब ये loop start हो रहा है, what is the initial value of my start variable? So everyone is able to see that initial value of my start variable is 1. Okay, now tell me what is my initial condition? Initial condition is that start less than equal to 3. What is start value, guys? Start value तो initially 1 है. तो 1 less than equal to 3 and I need everyone's response. Can you tell me what will be the final output from this? I'm saying 1 less than equal to 3. तो 1 क्या 3 से छोटा है ना? So what is the final output here? So final output here I'm getting is true, right? And now please guys take a note in your pen and paper. What is that note? In your for loop condition, for loop के अंदर जो आप condition लिखोगे, in your for loop condition, whenever you will be getting a final output true, in that case whatever you have written from here to here inside this for loop, whatever you have written, that you need to run. So that means you need to run your loop. Is that clear? So once I'm getting a final output true, I have to run from here to here. Console.log hello Pablo. So one time I'm getting hello Pablo printed in this output. So far it is clear to all of you guys. Can you quickly type one? Okay. But ये तो एक बार print हुआ. After that, once you're done from here, then what you will do? You will come to here to increment this start value. Can you tell me, guys? Previously, my start value was 1. I'm writing start plus plus. What will be my new start value? My new start value will become 1 plus 1, which will give me 2. Now tell me, what will be my condition now? Now my condition will be 2 less than equal to 3. Now tell me 2 less than equal to 3. Is that true? True or false? True hai, right? Definitely 2 is definitely lesser than equal to 3. So this is true. Again, you are getting true. So what you have to do? You have to run from here to here again. Console.log hello Pablo. So second time you are getting hello Pablo printed. After that, what you have to do? Again, you have to increment your start value. What will be your new start value, guys? 2 previously your start value. So start plus plus. So 2 plus 1. Your new start value will become 3. Now tell me, new condition क्या होगा? New condition will be 3 less than equal to 3. Is that true? क्या 3 less than equal to 3 है? Yes, 3 to less than equal to 3 है, true है, right? So you are getting it true. What you have to do? Again, you have to run whatever it is from here to here. Console.log hello Pablo. So third time you are getting hello Pablo printed. After that, what you have to do? Again, start plus plus. What will be your new start value? So this 3 value will become what? 4. Now tell me, guys, 4 less than equal to 3. Wait a minute. 4 लेस देन इक्वल टू 3. क्या 4 3 से छोटा है या इक्वल है? नो, राइट? So this gives you a false statement. Now write a note again, guys. Inside for loop condition, if you are getting a false value, so in that case you don't have to do anything. You have to end or you have to terminate your for loop. You have to end your for loop. That means whenever you are getting a false, you don't have to, you have to end your for loop there only, and you will be coming out of your for loop, right? And by the time you will terminate, how many times hello Pablo you have printed? So 3 times you have printed hello Pablo beautifully. So this is first, this is second, this is third condition. So 3 times hello Pablo is there. After that, you are terminating your for loop, and this is how it is running 3 times. I need all of you to think 30 seconds, and I am stopping it here. Take a pause. Let me know, guys, you all understood how it is working. I'm taking a pause. See it, observe it very carefully. Crystal clear? That's great. Okay, but let me give you a quick recap once more. Okay, few of you are might be having some trouble here. Okay, now again, I need all of your help. Can you tell me where should I start? कहाँ से मैं start कर रहा हूँ? I need all of your response. My for loop is starting from where? कहाँ से start हो? Type, guys, type करो. Even if you know, type. My for loop is starting with this value 1. Okay, this is my 1 value. What is my first condition? First condition is that 1 less than equal to 3. क्या ये true है? Yes, it is true. So if I'm getting true, what I have to do? I have to run from here to here. console.log hello Pablo. So first time I'm getting hello Pablo. So once I done with everything, I'm coming at the end. After that, I need to increment this start plus plus. What will be my new start value? Previously 1 tha. Now I am saying 1 plus plus. My new start value will become 2. Okay, new condition will give me 2 less than equal to 3. क्या ये भी true है? 2 less than equal to 3, which is again true. So what you have to do? Again, you have to run from here to here. Console.log hello Pablo. You are printing hello Pablo. After that, start plus plus. What will be your new start value? Your new start value will become 3 now. Tell me guys, 3 less than equal to 3. क्या ये भी true है? Is that true? Yes, this is also true. So what you will be doing? Again, you will be running from here to here. Console.log hello Pablo. Hello Pablo will be printing third time. After that, again start plus plus. What you will do? Your new start value will become 4. Now tell me guys, 4 less than equal to 3. Is that true? क्या 4 3 से छोटा है या इक्वल है? नो राइट. Here you are getting false output. So whenever you are getting false, you need to terminate your for loop. It will be come out of your for loop, right? Your termination will be ending here. And by the time it terminates, how many times you are printing hello Pablo? So you are printing hello Pablo 3 times. So 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. So from here, here, here. And observe this condition, guys. How ब्यूटिफुली यू आर इंक्रीमेंटिंग दिस वैल्यू एंड एट सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ये आपका कंडीशन को ब्रेक कर देगा. इट कंडीशन विल फॉल्स, इट विल ब्रेक एंड योर फॉर लूप विल बी रनिंग 3 times and 3 times you'll be getting hello Pablo printed. And now I need everyone's response, guys. Is that super clear to all of you now? And everyone understand the deepest level of it कि under the hood JavaScript इसको कैसे देख रहा है, right? Clear, very clear. Okay. Now, if this really clears, okay, tell me what will be. Can you tell me, guys, if I change this thing value from this to 5, how many times this will be running? How many times I'm supposed to get hello Pablo if I run it 5? So if I run this thing, I'm getting hello Pablo 5 times. How? It is started from 1 first condition, 1 less than equal to 5, true, running. Okay, second condition 2. So 2 less than equal to 5, which is true, again running. Okay, third condition 3. Okay, 3 less than equal to 5, which is again true, running. Okay, 4. 4 is less than equal to 5, which is again true, it is running. Okay, after that it becomes 5. Okay, 5 less than equal to 5, which is again true, it is running. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, this 5 will become 6. Your condition will be 6 less than equal to 5. Is it true? Get 6 less than equal to 5? No. You are getting a false condition. It will be terminated. How many times it is running? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time. 5 time hello Pablo you are getting in this output. So is that wow, guys? Understood? If I write here 100 times, how many times it will run? It will run 100 times. That is the wow part of it, right? Okay. Now tell me, here I'm writing 5, okay? And now instead of console.log hello Pablo, I'm writing here console.log start. Can you tell me what will be my output? What should be my output if I run here console.log start? Okay. Now tell me, initially, when this loop is running, my start value is 1. My first condition is 1 less than equal to 5. Is that true? Yes, that is true. So I'm running down console.log start. What is my start value? My start value is now 1, guys. So I'll be printing 1. After that, my start value will become 2. So 2 less than equal to 5. Is that true? Yes, that is true. What I'll be printing? I'll be printing 2. After that, 2 will become 3. So 3 less than equal to 5, which is again 2. What I'll be printing? I'll be printing 3. Can I say this is how I'll be printing from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Is that clear, guys? So now if I run this thing, what I'm getting? I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I write here start less than equal to 3, what I'll be printing? I'll be printing 1, 2, 3. Is it wow, guys? Where I'm starting? I'm starting from 1. Okay, first I'm getting 1. Where I'm ending? I'm ending till 3. I'm going till 3 because of this equal to. So 1, 2 till 3 I'm getting this output. Now tell me one thing, if I write here 10, what where to where I'm supposed to print? It should start with a value 1, then 2, then 3, so on. It will go till 10 because I'm writing a less than equal to 10. If I run this thing, what I'm getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10, right? Okay. Now tell me one thing, guys. What if I'm removing this equal to? Now, where to where I'm supposed to print? Now it will start from 1 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9. It will go till 9 because I'm not including 10. Is 10 को मैंने include नहीं किया है. Where I'm going, I'm going till less than 10. Less than 10 means I'm going till 9. So now if I run this thing, you can see I'm not getting till 10. I'm starting from 1, right? But I'm ending till 9. Is that clear to all of you? But as soon as I write here less than equal to 10, that means I'm going to print from 1 till 10. Can I get everyone's one, guys? Everyone able to understand this thing? Right. Okay. Now tell me one thing, guys. If I write something like that. So now let's say my question is that I need to print from 13 to 24. Understood, guys? I need to print for, I don't have to print from 1 to 10. I have to print from 13 to 24. Okay. Now I'm going to write a loop. Let start. Can you tell me, guys, what should be the starting value of variable, of the start variable? Everyone understand? Now we don't have to start from 1. I have to start from 13. Okay. Now tell me one thing, guys. Can I write here start less than equal to 24? So start karo 13 say and go till 24. Can I write in this way also? Less than 25? So less than 25 matlab kahan tak jayega? It will go till 24. Is that clear? Can I do any one thing? So less than equal to 24. Let's do it. And every time what I have to do? I have to increase my start value by 1 factor. So can I write here start plus plus? How many of you able to understand how I construct this code? From this to this. Able to clear? Okay. So let's say here I'm writing console.log start. Okay. So now if I run this thing, what I'm getting? I'm starting from 13 and I'm going till 24. Is that works, guys? Can you print from any number to any number? Let's say here I'm writing, I need to print from 100 and I need to go till 123. So now if I run this thing, what I'm getting? I'm starting from 100 and I'm going till 123. Is that works for all of you guys? Can you quickly type 1? Everyone is able to understand this thing. Is it easy? Okay. So now let's say I'm writing here, I'm writing here 7. Okay, I'm starting from 7, I'm going till 50. Okay, so now I'm running this thing. I'm getting 7, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15. Is that clear? Okay. Now let's say the question is that print, let me write the question, then only you will understand. Okay. Print all the number from 7 to 15, but the number should be divisible by 3. Question part is clear? I need to print all the number from 7 to 15 which are divisible by 3. मेरे को सारा number print नहीं करना है. I don't need to print 7. Why? Because it is not divisible by 3. I don't need to print 8. But am I supposed to print 9? Yes, because it is divisible by 3. Okay, now 10, again not 11, again not 12. Yes, again I need to print 12. Okay, 13 not, 14 not, 15. Yes. So what I have to print? I have to print all the number from 7 till 15 which are divisible by 3. Question part is clear. Just the question part. मेरे को answer output में ये चाहिए ना 9 first, then 12, then 15. I don't have to print all this number. Now tell me, guys, one thing. Are you able to getting that here? Before printing, I need to write some condition. Are you able to understand? So here I'm supposed to write condition. Agar, if my value, so can I write here if my start value, what I'm getting here, if start value mod 3 is equal to 0, that means can I say it is divisible by 3. So this is divisible by 3. Is that clear? So whenever जब भी ये condition run होगा, I can say for sure that the start is divisible by 3. So when it is divisible by 3, then only I'm going to write console.log start. Okay. Otherwise, I don't have to do anything. So now if I run this thing, what I'm getting, am I getting all the number? No. I'm getting only those number which is divisible by 3, because here I'm writing some condition here. Now let me discuss you how this is happening. Initially this is starting from 7. Okay. Now tell me what is the first condition. 7 less than equal to 15. क्या 7 15 से छोटा है ना? छोटा तो है. True. So that means what you will be doing? You will be coming down. Now tell me guys, 7 mod 3. क्या 7 mod 3 3 है? 0 है? What 7 mod 3 will give you? 7 mod 3 will give you 1, right? So 7 and here 3. 3, 2, 6, 1. So your remainder value will be 1. It is not 0, right? So this is not true. You don't have to do anything. Move to the next line. 7 will become 8. Now tell me 8 mod 3 is 0 hai? No. So move to the next, which is 9. Now tell me guys, 9 mod 3, is it 0? So 9 mod 3, so 3390. Yes, it is 0. So that means you have to run console.log start. So you are printing here 9. After that 10, it will not print. 11, it will not print, but 12. Yes, 12 mod 3 is 0. So you'll be printing here 12. After that 13, not. 14, not. Then it will come to 15. So 15 mod 3 is equal to 0. Yes, it is true. So you will be printing console.log start, which is 15. So that is how we'll be getting this output. So is that clear to all of you, this code snippet? So inside for loop, we are writing some condition because I don't want to print all the number. I want to print only those number which is divisible by 3. Right? Clear? Can you quickly take a pause and tell me, guys, is that understandable to all of you? Okay. Okay. So now let's move to the next example, guys. Okay. So tell me, guys, let's say here I'm writing for let I is equal to 1. Okay. Now tell me one thing, guys. Instead of start, can I write here I? It is a very variable, guys. You can write start, you can write Pablo, you can write whatever you want. Whatever you want, you write. It is ultimately a variable name, right? Okay. So now why I'm writing I? Because it is a convention, guys. So developers are usually writing it in this way. So that is why. So let's say I'm writing here I is equal to 1, I less than equal to, let's say 10, and then I plus plus. And here I'm writing, let's say console.log I. Can you tell me what I'm supposed to get in this output? I should get output from 1 till 10. So if I run this thing, what I'm getting? I'm starting from 1, I'm getting till 10. This is something we already learned, right? Okay. Now I'll do a some modification here. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to write here I is equal to I plus 3. I need all of your response, guys. Can you tell me what will be the output? I'm not incrementing it by 1 now. I'm going to increment it by 3. Let's see what output we are getting here. So if I run this thing, we are getting 1, 4, 7, 10. Okay, now let's understand, guys, how we are getting this output. Everyone, very, very important. Tell me, guys, when this loop is starting, what is the initial I value? Initial I value is 1. Okay, what is your initial condition, guys? 1 less than equal to 10. क्या ये true है? क्या 1 10 से छोटा है? Yes, definitely it is a true condition. So what you will be doing? You will be running for all things from here to here. Console.log I. What is your I value? Your I value is 1. So you are printing your first output, which is 1. After that, you are incrementing these values. Can you tell me, guys, what will be the new value of I? So you are writing I is equal to I plus 3. That means I is equal to 1 plus 3. What will be your new I value, guys? Your new I value will be 4. So 1 plus 3 will give you 4. So you are changing your I value from 1 to not 2. You are changing your I value to 4 because you are incrementing your value by 3. Now tell me what will be your next condition. 4 less than equal to 10. क्या 4 less than equal to 10 है यार? ट्रू है क्या? Yes, 4 तो छोटा ही है 10 से. This is always true. So what you will be writing here? Console.log I. What is your I value, guys? Now your I value is 4. So you are printing 4. After that, again, I is equal to I plus 3. Can you tell me, guys, what will be the new value? So 4 plus 3. So your new value will give you 7. Now tell me 7 less than equal to 10. Is that true? Yes, that is also true. You are printing console.log I. What is your I value, guys? Your I value is 7. So you are printing here 7. After that, again, I is equal to I plus 3. What will be your new value? 7 plus 3. Your new I value will be 10, guys. Now tell me, 10 less than equal to 10. क्या 10 less than equal to 10 है? Yes, 10 तो 10 से equal है. So you are getting again true output. What you have to do? Console.log I. What is your I value? I value is 10. You are printing this 10 here, guys. After that, I is equal to I plus 3. What will be your new I value? 10 plus 3, guys. So your new I value will become 13. Now tell me, guys, 13 less than equal to 10. क्या 13 10 से छोटा है या इक्वल है? Definitely no, right? So you are getting a false statement. And you know, guys, as soon as we are getting a false statement inside a for loop condition, we have to terminate our loop. We have to end our for loop. And by the time you are terminating, tell me, guys, what value we are getting. We are getting 14710, 14710 from this beautifully printed output. Is that clear to everyone, guys? Now understand one thing. We are not taking a single jump here. Rather, we are taking 3 jump at a step here. So from 1, directly we are going 4, not 2. So from 4, again we are getting to 7. We are 7, again we are taking 3 jump to 10. From 10, again we are taking 3 jump to 13. And here the condition breaks and your loop terminates. By the time it terminates, you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 output, 1, 4, 7, 10 printed in your console. Is that okay to all of you, guys? Can you are you able to understand similar kind of things I'm doing multiple time, guys, so that your understanding becomes very clear about for you, right? So far, is it good to go to all of you, guys? Okay, so now now I have a question for all of you, guys. Okay, so what you have to do? So now tell me, like, let's say I need to print from 5 till 1. So this is how I have to print. Let's say I need to start from 5, then I need to print 4, then I need to print 3, then 2, then 1. Question part is clear to all of you, guys, what I have to print. I don't have to start from 1, rather I have to start from 5 and then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is how I need to print. Okay, now I'm going to write here for loop. Okay, so for here I'm writing let I is equal to. Can you tell me where should I start? In this case, where should I start? So I'm supposed to start from 5, not 1, right? Okay, because I need to print 5 first. Okay, so here I'm writing, okay, let's start this loop from 5. Okay, after that I need to write my condition. What will be my condition, guys? Until and unless जब तक ये I value greater than equal to 1 है, मेरे को 1 तक जाना है, राइट? जब तक ये I का वैल्यू 5 ये greater than equal to 1 है, तब तक मेरे को ये लूप को रन करना है. एंड टेल मी, गाइस, एवरी टाइम व्हाट आई हैव टू डू? I प्लस प्लस. क्या मेरे को फर्स्ट 4 देन 5 देन 6 ये करना है? नो, राइट. I need to reduce my I value by 1. First I need to print 5, then 4, then 3, 2, 1. This is I'm decrementing my I value. So now if I run here console.log I, what I'm getting here, if I run this loop, I'm getting here 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone understand? I'm starting from 5. What is my value? 5. Okay, now tell me what is my first condition? 5 greater than equal to 1. क्या 5 एक से बड़ा या इक्वल है? Definitely true है. So what I'll be doing? I'll be running from here to here. Console.log I. What is my I value? My I value is 5. So here I'm printing my first value, which is 5. After that, I minus minus. What will be my new I value, guys? My new I value will become 4. So 4 greater than equal to 1. Tell me, guys, क्या 4 1 से बड़ा है? Definitely true है. Again, you will be running console.log I. What is your I value, guys? Your I value is 4. Again, I minus minus. So 4 will become 3. So 3 greater than equal to 1. Is that true? Yes, it is true. Console.log I. You will be printing here 3. Again, I minus minus. This 3 will become 2. Now tell me 2 greater than equal to 1. Is that true? Yes, it is also true. Console.log I. What is your I value? I value is 2. After that, again, I minus minus. This 2 will become what? This 2 will become 1. Now tell me, guys, 1 greater than equal to 1. क्या ये true है? क्या 1 greater than equal to 1 है? Yes, definitely equal to 1 है. So it is a true. So console.log I. What is your I value? Your I value is 1. You are printing here 1. After that, I minus minus. What will be your new I value, guys? 1 minus 1, your new I value will become 0. Now tell me, guys, 0 greater than equal to 1. क्या 0 एक से बड़ा या छोटा है, बड़ा या इक्वल है? Definitely no, right? So you are getting a false output. That means you need to terminate your loop here. And by the time it terminates, tell me, guys, what are the output you have printed? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now if I run this thing again, you can see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is that wow, guys? Okay, this is called reverse loop. Why it is reverse loop? Because I'm decrementing this value. That is the reason it is called reverse loop. I'm starting from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is an example of reverse loop, guys. And whatever example I have given here and all, let's say for this, for example, this one, this is a normal loop, guys. So this is a normal loop. Why it is a normal loop? Because I'm starting from 1, I'm going till 10. So I'm incrementing this value. So step up, right? So that is the reason it is a normal loop, forward loop, right? But this is a example of reverse loop. I'm starting from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So whenever you will be getting minus minus, you need to assume that, okay, this is I'm writing a reverse loop. Is that clear to all of you guys? Can you quickly confirm how to run reverse loop? So I'm starting from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? Okay. So many things we have learned, guys. Are you all feeling comfortable about write a loop? Can you write a loop from 20 to 51? Can you write a loop from 20 to 51? Can you print all the number from 20 to 51 which is divisible by 4 and divisible by 7? Can you do? Yes. So you'll be writing inside your condition, you'll be writing whatever is your I value, mod 4 is equal to 0, that should be 0, and I value mod 4 is equal to 7. So if both of these conditions satisfied, then only you need to rewrite console.log I value. Is that clear? Can you solve this kind of question? Yes. Okay. So now, guys, we are going to learn a very important concept. Okay. So let me remove everything. Okay. Let's start with a story, guys. Okay. Very, very important thing we're going to learn, the last topic of the day. Okay. So let's say there are 5 relatives come to your house. Okay. So this is relative 1, this is relative 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 relatives came to your house. Why? Because of your birthday party, let's say. ठीक है, आपका जन्मदिन था, 5 relatives came to your house. Right? Okay. Now, your birthday party done and they are going to their home. And they need your help to go their home. And you have a scooter. Okay, आपके पास एक scooter है. So let's say this is your scooter. Okay. And let's say this is you sitting inside your scooter, okay, and this is one more relative inside the scooter. Condition is that at a time only one relative can sit in your scooter. Story is clear so far, guys. I know scooter is very beautiful here, but assume कर लो. Is that clear to all of you guys? Are you able to understand? तो 5 relative है जो आपके घर आया है for your birthday party, and now they are going home, and it is your responsibility to drop them into platform, right, railway station, for going their home. Okay, so what you will do then, guys, we will first start with passenger number 1, right? Relative 1 will go, okay, drop to the railway station. You will drop to the railway station. Again, you come back to home. again you take relative 2 and drop to the station, again you come back to home, again you drop to the relative 3 and come back to home. Is that clear? Guys, this is how we'll be doing, right? Understood? Can you quickly type 1 so far? Okay. Now, in between, there is something happened. So relative number 3 went to their home, okay? And you are also there in the platform. A platform pe you are also standing. Relative number 3 also standing. Train आया, relative number 3 gone, okay? घर चला गया. उसके बाद there is some siren is playing. Some announcement is happening. What is that announcement? There are no train today. आज का सारा ट्रेन कैंसिल हो गया. Let's say something happened, some siren is playing, some announcement is happening कि there are no train today. Now tell me one thing guys, क्या करोगे आप? क्या आप घर आके फिर पैसेंजर नंबर 4 को आगे जाके दिखाओगे, देखो कोई ट्रेन नहीं है नहीं, फिर आप घर अब वापस आओगे, फिर आप विल टेक पैसेंजर नंबर 5 एंड गो, देखो देयर आर नो ट्रेन्स अवेलेबल? नो, राइट? You will go back to home, you will tell your passenger 4 and 5, please look chow, today there are no trains, maybe tomorrow I can drop you, so for today you don't have to go. Is that clear? यही करोगे, right? आप now tell me one thing guys, ये जो मैंने story बताया, are you all able to understand the story or not? We are going to learn very very important concept with this story, right? ठीक है. Now let me write something here. I'm writing here for let I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Can you tell me guys one thing? How many time? Think the question very carefully. How many time this loop will run? कितने बार ये loop run होगा? Is it 6 time or 5 time or 6 time, 4 time, 5 time? People are typing. Okay. Now tell me one thing. This loop will start from 1. Is that? Then it will go to 2. Then it will go to 3. Then it will go to 4. Then it will go till 5. So how many times this loop will running? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time. Understood guys? So this loop will run 5 time. Anyone having any doubt? No doubt, right? Okay. So here I'm writing, let's say I'm running console.log. Let's say I'm running here guest comma I. Okay, let's see what we are getting. Okay, so if I run this thing, what am I getting? I'm getting first guest 1, then guest 2, guest 3, guest 4 and guest 5. Is that clear? Okay, now tell me, अगर वो siren नहीं बजता, अब अगर वो announcement नहीं होता, तो this is how my loops would occur. First guest 1 go, then guest 2, then guest 3, then guest 4 and then guest 5. This is normal condition. Is that okay? Is that okay? Okay. So now tell me one thing. So there is something happened there, right? Okay. Now here, what I'm doing here. So let's say first I'm printing all of this thing, right? Okay. But here I'm saying one more thing. Ki if my relative number is 3, right? अगर मेरा relative number 3 है, after that, there is an announcement, okay? Announcement about no trains. So after that there are no trains, right? Okay, so guys, can I do one thing? Can I write a condition ki if my relative number, can I get relative number from I? So I'm saying if I value is equal to 3, that means after that there are no trains available. क्या ये story clear है सबके लिए? Every time I'm printing my relative value, but here I'm checking कि अगर मेरा I value 3 है ना, उसके बाद there are no trains available. So what I'm writing here, guys, I need all of you to type. Can you quickly type this thing in chat box? BREAK, brick. So this is a very, very powerful statement in loop. So break. Now let's understand what output we are getting first. Okay. Now I'm going to click on this run button. I need all of your response, guys. Forget about this whole loop. भूल जाओ अब इसको. We'll learn all of this thing later. Tell me one thing. हमारा जो स्टोरी था उसके साथ ये मैच हो रहा है. Guest 1 gone, guest 2 gone, guest 3 gone, but after the siren happening, guest 4 not able to gone, guest 5 not able to gone. Is that clear to all of you? we are not understanding this part guys, we are understand later. But बताओ story के साथ are you able to relate? Are you able to relate at least this part की story? हमारा ऐसा था कि guest 3 के बाद there are no trains present, so guest 3 gone, after that guest 4, guest 5 we should have, but we are not able to get. Why? Because there are no trains present. Okay. Now let's understand why and how we are getting this output guys. Everyone excited? Should we start? Okay, so tell me same thing guys, when this loop is starting, what is the initial value? Initial value of start I variable is 1. Okay, what is the first condition? 1 less than equal to 5. Tell me guys, is it true? क्या ये condition true है? क्या 1 5 से छोटा है? Definitely true है. I'm coming down. Console.log guest comma I. What is I value? I value is 1. I'm printing guest comma comma के वजह से एक space आ रहा है, then 1. Is that clear so far? Okay. After that, I'm checking if I value is equal to 3. What is I value? I value is 1. I'm writing 1 is triple equal to 3. Is that true? क्या 1 3 से equal है? Definitely no, right? So I don't have to do anything here because this is a false. So I'm coming at the end. Now tell me what I have to do. Now I have to do I plus plus. What will be my new I value? My new I value will become 2. Now tell me guys, 2 less than equal to 5. Is that true? Yes, that is also true. I'm coming down console.log guess 2. What I'm printing here? Console.log guess 2. After that, again, I'm checking I value. What is my I value? My I value is 2. I'm saying 2 is triple equal to 3. क्या ये true है? No, right? This is not even true. So what I have to do? Nothing. Coming at the end again, then again I have to do I plus plus. What will be my I value? My I value will become 3. Now tell me guys, 3 less than equal to 5. Is that true? क्या 3 5 से छोटा है? हाँ यार छोटा तो है. So it is true. What will be doing? Console.log guest comma I. So console.log guest comma 3. So this third value I'm printing. But now line number 9, tell me. My I value is 3. I'm writing 3 is triple equal to 3. Is that true? Yes, that is true. So now inside this if condition, I'm getting a true value. So what I have to do? Whatever I have written from here to here, I have to run this thing. Now tell me guys, line number 10, what I have written? I have written break. Now take pen and paper and write a note. What is the note? Note is that inside your for loop, अगर आपके for loop के अंदर whenever you will be running a statement called break, जब भी आपके for loop के अंदर ये break statement run होगा, it will not see anything. ये कोई condition भी नहीं देखेगा, ये कुछ increment भी नहीं करेगा, decrement भी नहीं करेगा, start value नहीं देखेगा, कुछ नहीं. It whenever this will run, it will not do anything. It will simply terminate your loop there only. It will not going to show anything else. Either break run hua, okay, end. Your for loop will say khatam, tata, bye bye. Now tell me, at this point when I value is 3, you are running this loop from here to here, right? Okay, now tell me, console, you are writing here break. What you have to do? You have to terminate your for loop there. And by the time it terminates, tell me guys, guest 1, guest 2, guest 3, you are getting, right? Understood all of you guys? I need all of your one. So take a note here. Whenever you will be running break inside your for loop, it will simply terminate. वो कुछ नहीं देखेगा. It will not even see कहाँ पे आप हो, क्या आपका condition है, is that true, is that false, फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Whenever break will run, it will end. Simply it will खत्म your for loop there. Is that clear to all of you? That is the reason we are getting 1, 2, 3, because after printing 3, this condition satisfied, I'm running break, right? And then it terminate. So ये 4, 5 print नहीं हो रहा है. Can you quickly type 1, guys? Everyone understand the power of break statement in a loop. Done? Okay. Now tell me, guys, what if I'm writing here 2? What I'm supposed to get in this output if I write here 2? Then only I'm supposed to get 1 and 2. Yes, exactly. So first I'm going to start with 1, I'm printing guest 1. Then I'm going to start with 2, I'm going to print guest 2. After that, this I value is 2, right? So 2 is equal to 2. Is that true? Yes, that is true. You're printing break. So break means again everything is terminating. So 3, 4, 5 is not able to print. Understood all of you the power of break statement? I'm taking a pause here quickly, guys. Let me know you all understood what is this break is doing. It is simply ending your loop, terminating your loop. जब भी ये break run होगा, it will terminate, right? Okay. So now let's take one more example, guys. One more thing. Okay. So tell me. Okay. Now the situation is that you have total 5 relative in your house, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now you started with relative 1, gone. Then relative 2, gone. Then relative 3, let's say gone. After that, when you come to home, there is something happened. This time everything is fine. Train hai, station mein train hai, right? But relative number 4, you come to home and you see that relative number 4 is not well. So relative number 4 is sick. What you will do? क्या बोलोगे आप? अब बोलोगे आप भले ही सीखो फिर भी चलो मेरे साथ, ऐसे बोलोगे क्या? You are sick, still you need to go to me, go with me. No, right? You will say, hey, you are not well, please wait, I maybe tomorrow I can drop you. Okay, आज के लिए आप रुक जाओ. You will skip that relative and then you will move to relative number 5. So in this example, relative number 1 gone, then 2 gone, then 3 gone, but 4 you will skip because 4 is unwell, right? And then you will continue with 5. Is that clear? Story is clear? Okay. So now let me write here. For let I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Every time if I run here console dot log I, what I'm supposed to get? I'm supposed to get the like in this way guest comma I. If I run this thing, what I'm supposed to getting? I'm getting here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is normal way, right? Okay. But before I print this value, I'm writing a condition here. Ki if it is my relative number 4, then I don't have to print. Please skip that relative. Okay, so now here I'm writing again one more condition. If my I value is equal to 4, agar ye mera relative number 4 hai, so in that case what I'm going to do? I'm not going to break it because I need to print 5. 4 ko skip karna hai, right? 5 ko mere ko print karna hai. In that case I'm going to write here continue. Guys, I need all of your response. Can you quickly type this thing for me? continue. What this continue will do? Continue will not going to terminate your loop. Rather, whenever this I value is 4, continue will skip that particular I value 4 and then continue will move to the next iteration. Now let's understand. Let's first see this output. What we are getting? We are getting 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 we are skipped because we have written a condition. Okay, then we are getting 5. So our story part is clear. Now let's understand how this is working under the hood. Okay, chalo. So tell me one thing, guys. When this loop is starting, what is your first value? Your first value start with 1. Okay. What is your condition? 1 less than equal to 5. Kya 1 less than equal to 5 true hai? Yes, definitely true. So you are coming down. Now tell me one thing, guys. 1 is equal to 4. Is that true? No. So you don't have to do anything here. You are coming down line number 22, console.log guest I. So guest 1 you are printing. Okay. After that I plus plus, your I value will become 2. Now tell me 2 less than equal to 5. Is that true? That is true as well. So you are coming down. Now tell me I value which is 2. Okay. 2 is triple equal to 4. Is that true? No, that is not true. Again, you don't have to do anything here. Console.log guest comma I. What is I value? I value is 2. After that I plus plus, your I value will become 3. Now tell me guys, 3 less than equal to 5. Is that true? That is true as well. Here you are writing again. Okay. 3 is your I value is equal to 4. Is that true? No, you don't have to do anything here. Console.log guest comma I. You are printing guest comma 3. Very nice. After that I plus plus again, you are incrementing your I value from 3 to 4. Now tell me guys, 4 less than equal to 5. क्या ये भी true है? Yes, it is true as well. So you are coming down. Now tell me guys, your I value is 4. You are saying 4 is triple equal to 4. Is that true? Yes. Now it is true. So what you are doing? You are running here continue. Understand? Whenever you will be running continue, continue will not going to end your loop. Rather, कंटिन्यू विल बी स्किपिंग दैट इटरेशन कंटिन्यू इसके नीचे जाएगा ही नहीं कंटिन्यू विल नॉट गोइंग टू रन 22 कंटिन्यू रन होगा इट विल डायरेक्टली इंक्रीमेंट योर आई वैल्यू बाय 1 so your I value directly without having anything your I value will become I plus plus 4 will become 5. Now tell me guys, 5 less than equal to 5, is that true? Yes, that is true. Again you will be coming down. What is your I value? Now your I value is 5. So 5 is equal to 4. Is that true? No, that is not true. You don't have to do anything. Let's come down. Console.log guest comma I. What is your I value? I value is 5. So that is how you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4 you are skipping because of this continue. Because whenever this continue will run, directly आपको नीचे नहीं जाना है, कुछ नहीं करना है. You just have to increment this I value for next iteration. That is the reason you are getting 1, 2, 3, 5 printed in this output. Is that works for all of you? One very good question by Abhishek. Abhishek is saying, sir, what if I'm writing this console.log before checking? Now tell me guys one thing. If I write console.log before checking, तो पहले तो ये print करेगा, then it will check. So when this continue will come, continue will simply increase the I value. But before that, ये तो print कर चुके होंगे, right? That is why if you solve in this way, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is not able to skip. That is the reason. First, you need to check. Based on the condition, you need to skip. So once every check, everything is done, then only you will print. Then only you will be able to skip a particular element. Is that clear to all of you guys? Here, first it will check if the condition satisfied, directly it is incrementing the value to the next value so that line number 24 for particular I value 4 will not able to run. That is how it is working. Is that clear to all of you guys? Are you all able to understand so far? Right? So two things we learn. One is break statement. Another one is continue statement. What break will do? Break will terminate your loop there only. It will terminate your loop there only. But continue will not terminate. Continue will skip a particular iteration based on your condition. Okay? Okay. So now guys, two homework I want to give to all of you guys. Very important. We'll start again from here. Okay, tomorrow. So let me just a minute. So log I. Okay. Okay. So guys, first homework is that you need to take a screenshot here. Can you please take a screenshot here? Is that done? So using this break. Done? Okay, so what you have to do, very simple guys. You have to run this, you have to write this exact code in your own terminal. Okay, आप आपके खुद का जो compiler है, you need you need to write this exact code. Okay, after that what you have to do, you have to use pen and paper guys. You have to use pen and paper and you need to do dry run the way I am doing. Okay, how I am getting this output. So you need to do this thing for the first time. Okay, so ये आपका हो गया break के साथ, right? Okay, second task you need to do with this continue. Okay, take a screenshot of this thing guys, write down the exact things in your own compiler. Okay, and then click on this run button and then do a dry run using pen and paper. Please use pen and paper guys. The way I am writing here, write down the code in your pen as well, in your paper as well, and then write step by step What will be your initial start value? Okay, 1. After that initial condition, okay, 1 less than equal to 5. After that, is it true? Yes, it is true. You'll be coming down, you'll be running your loop. Something that you need to do that, right? So this is homework number 2. So this 2 homework you need to do before joining tomorrow's session. Promise, guys, can you do that? This is with continue. Okay. And another one with a break. Is that clear, guys, to all of you? Can you quickly type 1? Okay, then exactly at this 2 point, we are going to start from tomorrow's session. Okay, let me quickly recap what are the things we have learned. We learn about how I can write a loop first, right? And then I can write a condition inside my loop, right? If start value mod 3 is equal to 3 equal to 0, in that case, please console.log, right? How to write condition inside the loop. We learn that thing as well, right? Okay, then we learn about break and continue statement. We learn that break will stop the execution. Okay, stop the execution, break will terminate the loop, right? Okay, but if you're using continue will skip a particular iteration. It will not going to stop your execution, right? Okay, so give your best, guys. Okay, and then please ensure that you do these 2 homework. Okay, you don't have to submit anything assignment, you can submit. Okay, these 2 homework that I'm giving, that is for only your understanding. Use pen and paper. Okay, and do dry run of these 2. One is within using break, another is within using continue. We'll start again from this point tomorrow. We'll revise this thing again before jumping to tomorrow's session. Done? Understood, everyone? Okay. What is the associative rule in logical operator? Yes, let's say here I'm writing if I value is equal to 4 or I value is equal to 3, then only write continue. Now if I run this thing, can you see what I'm getting? Okay, let me first comment this out. Okay, now let me run it. What I'm getting, guys, is it wow? I'm skipping I value 3 as well as guessed 4. Why? I'm writing here either I value is 4 or I value is 3. अगर इसमें से कोई भी एक सच होगा ना, उसको skip कर दो. So I value is 1, I'm skipping, no, not skipping, 2 not skipping, but 3 I'm skipping, 4 I'm skipping, 5 I'm skipping as well. Right? So here are the consequences. Don't worry, we'll learn it again tomorrow. Understood, guys? All your rule or your logic that you have learned that are going to remain same. Okay? Right. So with that, guys, give your best, guys. I know initially you might face it a bit difficulties with loop and all, right? It is not a simple topic, guys. That is why please ensure that you put your side effort as well. Take notes, right? Whatever I have shared. So usko dekho, watch recording if it is required, right? And give your best, but it will be something like that. You need some time, but you will be able to do that. Okay. So with that, guys, thank you so much. I want to end today's session, right? So let's meet again tomorrow with another very interesting topic. Okay? Chalo. So let me stop the recording here. Yes.